Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in this video we'll be unboxing the TSS Multipoint Door Handles 9262PZ lever, offset lever with 200mm screw centres. As you can see, the handles are boxed with the individual components inside individually bagged. This is to avoid any damage in transit, any scratches to the handle. In the box you will receive your handle set, which is just unbagged for you now. Plus an accessory kit. This accessory kit includes 2 removable spring cassettes, 2 solid spindles, plus 2 sets of fixings, 1 long and 1 short. The handles are available in polished brass, as you can see in the video, polished chrome, silver, black and white. The polished brass, silver and polished chrome are salt spray tested to 240 hours. All of the handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. Go over the measurements with you now. So your internal side, you've got your 92mm PZ with your 200mm screw centres. Top screw to centre of the Euro cutout is 70mm. Base of the Euro to the bottom fixing is 13mm. Overall backplate length is 250mm, and then the width is 34mm. The external side, you have your 62mm centre, and the top fixing to the centre of the Euro is 100mm. Thank you for watching.